So where are we going?
Fireworks. Fireworks.
And is it the 4th of July?
No.
Is it even July yet?
No, it's still June.
But
It's like June 24th or something.
no, 9th. Yeah, you look beautiful. Like a Jersey Shore. Jersey Shore toddler.
Snookie.
She's baby Snook. Still on the nook. Okay.
I'm Snookie because I had big hair.
Watch your flash. You don't point yourself in the eye with that.
Don't poking. What? What'd you say?
Happy holiday.
What holiday is it? Almost.
Annie, birthday.
Oh, really?
Allie, look at birthday. My birthday.
Let's see. Did someone get it right? Almost.
Almost 4th of July, 2013.
What are you doing? Pushing or pulling?
Happy birthday, Allie!
What are you doing? Pushing or pulling? What are you pushing and pulling?
Oh my.
I love baby power.
Okay. All right, I think that's good. You're gonna get a hernia. Say bye. See you at the fireworks.
See you at the fireworks 2013. Not even July. And we're wearing patriotic suits.
Woo! It's our first time with the twins. 3 years old.
What? What is that?
They're usually asleep or trying to go to sleep. But instead, we're gonna see what? Fireworks? You're not gonna be afraid.
So I can lay there. No!
It's not scary. It just sounds like boom boom, but it's pretty lights, okay? Look at her. There's Grandma right there.
Where?
That's me.
You're gonna lose whatever you had on there.
I had a flag. That's it.
No, there was something on it.
A flag.
You had a bead in there.
No, she didn't have it on her when she came out of the thing.
Oh, look! Like a waterfall.
Ooh. I wish that thing wasn't in the way. You like it, Annie? It's pretty, right?
Damn.
It scares you?
Annie, I'll hug you. One. Damn.
The first one?
Can I hug you? Yeah. Do you want me to hug you? Yeah,
That, not one? They can't come here. You think I would let Michaela over there if they could come that close?
Yeah.
They can't. That's way down by the lake. Don't be scared. It can't come to us. It's supposed to look like that. Isn't it pretty? You're not the one I thought would be afraid. Aren't they beautiful?
I like purple.
You like the purple kind?
Purple
We will. We will after it's over. But it looks so pretty.
Go home.
It's just loud, that's all. It's all safe.
Hug me, Annie.
Come here.
I want Allie.
Allie's okay.
Allie's not afraid. I don't. Say more, more, more. Oh, they're cute. It's okay, you're on pavement, Mama. Watch the fireworks, it's almost over. Why don't you watch it? Did you like the show, Mickey?
Yeah.
Did you like the show, Allie?
Yeah.
You like fireworks?
I'm not
You didn't see it because you were busy doing gymnastics.
Milking.
I didn't see it.
You're busy doing milking.
Now
You can't walk a mile and a half home.
you got no shoes on.
Annie, did you like the firecrackers?
I'm not buckling.
Did you like your first firecrackers? No?
You
You didn't like them?
Yeah, Daddy.
Sit.
What?
Dad.
What? Did you like them?
Yeah.
You did? Were they scary or fun? Scary? But pretty too? Okay. Both?
Not yellow.
All right. Happy first,
You yellow.
happy first and fifth for you. I think since we took you, probably two. No, I think we took you.
Eight.
No, I don't think so. I think you were two. Wave goodbye, Daddy. Wave goodbye, Dad.
Bye.